This blueberry cottage cheese combination will blow your mind with its rich, decadent, smooth, velvety, creamy texture. Today, I will share an awesome gluten-free cheesecake recipe that uses no biscuits for its crust, but it ticks all the boxes for healthy indulgence. Plus, 7 reasons to make this gluten-free cheesecake recipe. And hey, welcome to Alchemy. The main ingredients are cottage cheese, blueberry, oats. Reason number 1. Oats are rich in a specific type of fiber called beta-glucan. Now, this type of fiber is known to help lower the levels of bad cholesterol or LDL. Reason number 2. Walnuts contain a relatively high percentage of omega-3 fat, which has been linked to various health benefits. This gluten-free cheesecake crust is made by using rolled oats, walnuts, powdered oats, melted butter, honey, and lemon juice. Now, you can replace honey with any other sweeteners of your choice like maple syrup or jaggery or stevia. Combine them well and bring it to a point where it is easy to spread out. Now, you can use few drops of water to bind them just in case you find it too crumbly. I am using a detachable cake pan, or you can use a springform pan to make this healthy cheesecake recipe. Chill this until we prepare the filling. Let's prepare the blueberry jam. Add in some blueberries, honey, chia seeds, and water. Bring them to the stove and let the blueberries break down in the heat. So, what is the reason number 3? High fiber intake is actually linked to improved gut health. Now, a single ounce of chia seeds gives you about 9.75 grams of fiber, which is 25% of the RDI for men and 39% of the RDI for women. Reason number 4. Blueberries are believed to have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all common fruits and vegetables. So it's no wonder that they call this as the king of antioxidant foods. Now, you can actually see that it looks watery now, but it will thicken up. Now, because as it cools down, chia seeds will bloom up. Once completely cool, just refrigerate them until we need it. This recipe works using the homemade cottage cheese or even a store-bought one. Now, if you are using a store-bought one, just remember to drain off the liquid and blend it up before adding further ingredients. If you want to know how to make homemade cottage cheese, I shall leave a link in the description box below. So, what is reason number 5? Well, cottage cheese is an excellent source of protein with about 70% of the calories coming from it. It's packed with nutrients such as B vitamins, phosphorus. It's known to help increase feelings of fullness, which directly helps in weight loss. To this, now we're gonna add in honey, or you could replace it with maple syrup or stevia. Okay, now let's get back to reason number 6. 1 cup serving of cottage cheese offers 37% of the RDI for selenium. Now, selenium, a mineral which has been shown to increase antioxidant protection in the blood. Blend it until creamy and refrigerate it until we need it. To make lighter filling, I use chilled double cream and bake it until we get soft peaks. Now, you can actually skip this step, but I feel it helps to set the cheese filling, and of course, you can replace this with aquafaba. If you've been enjoying the video so far, you could give me a like now, or even comment on what do you think about this recipe, or even better, subscribe if you haven't already and share it to folks whom you think would enjoy this recipe, or to folks who don't like baking but love a good cheesecake, huh? Do stay till the end, as I will cover the last important reason as to why you need to make this gluten-free cheesecake recipe. At this stage, bring in the chill pan and pour over the creamy cottage cheese filling and smooth it out before you add the chilled blueberry jam all over it. Now, you have to refrigerate this for at least 4 to 6 hours. Now, you don't want to take it out before that. Giving it time is gonna help to firm up and gives a beautiful structure where you can see the gluten-free cheesecake crust, the blueberry cottage cheese filling. Now I usually make this in the evening and refrigerate overnight. Now you may ask why do you do that? Because this brings me to the reason number 7. It's dessert as breakfast. I mean, it's got fiber, protein, and fruit. And talking about breakfast, you can click on the screen right now and go watch the video on how to make a protein-rich coffee, or how about some scrambled eggs that does not involve an egg. Nope, that wasn't a joke. I got the video right here. And until next time, see you later.